chiamo Elvira, ho 29 anni, sono laureata in ingegneria meccanica e mi occupo della progettazione di centraline, quadri di distribuzione, cassette di derivazione e dispositivi per la connessione industriale. Working at GEWISS means operating in a world that is constantly evolving. Well, I try to experience the change as an opportunity to get out of my comfort zone, to get to know myself and to improve. We work as a team where we share skills and successes as well as doubts and failures. Conflict can arise, but we help and support each other. To be honest, the company is very large, so it is difficult to generalize. Anyway, everyone you meet in the corridors greets you, and this makes you feel part of the team. I want to become the key figure for research and technological innovation. GEWISS gives me the opportunity to attend training courses, and the goal is to make my knowledge available to everyone in order to refine product design and streamline the development process. Sustainability in my daily work means reducing waste. Creating a virtual model of a product and simulating its operation allows us to save on the creation of prototypes and lab tests, resulting in less energy consumption. It is a significant improvement for our environmental footprint. In two words, for me, it means digital twin.